Just wanted to share how to get off this clip. This one on this side is different than the one that's on the other side. As you can see, that has those two access points to the clips. You just push both sides in evenly. This one's the challenging one. You don't want to push in both sides. So on this one, you can get a close up. You can see that little round section that's there. That comes through the plastic. You can see it right next to my finger. That round, really small piece right there. It looks different than on this side right here. Similar anyways. Anyways, down here on the bottom, I guess you can see where it says F3 on the rubber. Sorry, I have a problem with my camera there. So anyways, I'll get to my point here. You want to press down on this side with a tool, and it'll have it move down and get out of the way. So that's sort of when it's up and in, it's that plastic holds it clipped. So yeah, so take pliers and push on this side. Don't push on this side at the same time. Okay, so push this side at the top where it says above F3 up here. Just push it straight down, loosen up the pressure, and then pull out the purge valve solenoid. There it is. Yeah, so obviously that clips is designed to go over and hold it right there. And it mounts into the vehicle like that.